ఇక హైదరాబాద్ బంజర్ హిల్స్లోని పార్క్ హయత్ హోటల్లో నెక్స్ట్ డిజిటల్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో పార్ట్నర్షిప్ గ్రోత్ సమిట్ నిర్వహించారు. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా నెక్స్ట్ హబ్స్ను ఒకేసారి ఒకే వేదిక నుండి ప్రారంభించున్నారు. దీని ద్వారా 650 డిజిటల్ ఛానళ్లతో పాటు బ్రాడ్బ్యాండ్ సర్వీసులను అందిస్తున్నారు.
Hinduja Group for a long time. I've had the privilege and the honor of being with this group whose philosophy is always partnership for growth. And I'm very proud that our entire approach is visionary. Right from the fact that we are launching within this financial year 100 strategic next hubs. Today, all the 40 are ready to go live. We have got videos from the regional managers, which we will look to end our event today. We've got videos, and then I'd like Sri Kumar to launch for Hyderabad, for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. 16 of those 40 launches will be out from here today. The idea is that we want to extend service offerings to all emerging technology solutions. We believe that it is not the birthright of only cities to get emerging technologies. It must filter down to everyone, including in rural markets. A lot of our next hubs are markets where there are smaller operators, rural operators, and we're fine with that. We believe that the business will grow. Everyone talks about profitability. For us, our profitability cannot be hinged on exclusion. Our profitability is always hinged on inclusion of a greater partnership for growth. And we will support the ecosystem. I'm going to call up, so I'll go to that last. Our idea is to get LMOs to foster that spirit of entrepreneurship. How do we take 10,000 people and they have an average of about 3 to 5 staff? How do we take 50,000 people across the country? That extends to 500,000, that extends to 50 lakhs. How do we take them into new business models to be able to earn their bread and butter? How can they become digital? How can they not be worried saying, oh, my job is going because the whole world is going digital? No, everyone needs to be part of that digital ecosystem is something that we have grown up with and something that we built. And that is why the last point, as I made to you, we will continue to support the Digital India, the Skill India and Make in India mission. In fact, just to tell you, in 2015, I must share with you when we launched HITS, it's incredible. I traveled to a few places, Sri Kumar, if you remember. I went to a place in Arunachal Pradesh, right? They were getting only 4 hours, in Assam, I think, 4 hours of electricity, right? They didn't have even basic amenities there. But they installed one of our digital systems there. So that operator was so delighted because everyone would come there to that community to enjoy it. Lakshadweep, same thing. I'm very proud that we are supporting the army. In Kargil, we have an installation. Yes. Ladakh, we have installations all across the place. And we've been skilling everyone to become digitally strong. And last, Make in India, right from 2015, our head ends that we've been designing, all of that has been based on this. The last thing is, I'm sure all of you as customers have one big challenge. The challenge is, how do I make my payments immediately and get the channel immediately? I have to call up my last mile owner, local cable operator. I have to then ask, there is India playing Pakistan. I don't have access to this, the signal from Star Sports. I need to get it instantly. I've got World Cup going on. I've got Euro Cup going on. So we have worked on opening up our application, our interfaces, API. And we partnered with Raghavendra. Raghavendra developed MobiEasy, who's partnered specifically to help our last mile owners not just make their lives easier, but also make the subscribers' lives easier. Yes. Raghavendra, can we have you? To be good to hear from you. Can we get a microphone for Raghavendra, please? Come, Raghavendra. So, yes, thank you so much. Thanks. So, Raghavendra, I think what everyone would like to know, I still keep my journalist hat on even 28 years after I've moved on. But what everyone would like to know, I think the most important thing is how will it benefit them? This MobiEasy app, how will it really benefit them? Can you guys just check the... Hello. Yeah, it's on.
First of all, thank you for calling me here, Vince and Sri Kumar sir. And I really appreciate the way,
Come this side, please. Center. I would like
you come in the center.
I really appreciate the way you're thinking to organize the business of last mile owner. You give a very good name instead of cable operator. Thank you for that. Mobizy is a Bangalore-based company. We are working towards organizing the business of this last mile owners since 5 years. So it's an advanced cloud-based billing solution now which is integrated with Next Digital, and it automates lot of work of last mile operator. He does lot of manual work, like he goes and collects the cash and comes back to his office and will have to activate the packs and all. So we have,
and the customer gets delayed. Because the customer wants to watch immediately, the LMOs to collect money, go back,
correct,
all that kind of thing.
Correct. Right? There is a delay, and in the end, unhappy customer. So this will remove all that thing, and when he pays money, because the whole India is going towards digital payment now.
Right.
So we have an app where end consumer can download and he can pay through that. Within 10-15 seconds, his TV will be on without
instant gratification.
Yes, without any interruption.
Right. And so this is under, just to tell everyone, Next Digital today officially has also launched our VAP program, that is Value Added Apps for Partners. These apps, we are developing multiple apps that will help our customers, that will help our subscribers, help our LMOs. So this is the first, Mobizy is the first one of this. So from a subscriber perspective, what happens to me if I want to also subscribe to other services of Next Digital, like broadband and other, will I be able to?
Yes, definitely. So he will be able to choose what he wants. In the end, like, we are democratizing the experience of the end.
Digital inclusion.
Digital inclusion. He can choose whatever he wants to see and he can pay for it. The best thing is that money, what he is paying, directly goes to the last mile operator's account. There is no mediator here, and it's not that MSO is getting the money and then he will settle. That takes a lot of operations on.
There is no reconciliation required. It's a direct process.
He can even, because in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, still they do cash collection. Even when they collect the cash, immediately the both are integrated. Immediately his TV will be on.
So what do LMOs need to do to get this Mobizy app now? How do I, as I'm a last mile owner, how do I connect with you? How does it work?
Yes, they can call us. Mobizy.com is our website, or they can call our number, support number. We will help them to not only set up the data, we will also train them how to use it, and also we will handhold them in case they have an issue, because adoption to the technology is little bit tough in the beginning. So once they start using it, they'll see the benefit. We are there to help them. We have done for thousands.
So you've already tested it with some of our last mile owners, right? I mean, what did you see challenges? Did you see how they, how comfortable were they? I know I shouldn't be saying that at a press conference, but I just want to know, were there any challenges that you faced or anything that you...
First of all, they were amazed to see that, things are working very quickly, which they were doing 2-3 layers of work. Now it happens just like in a second. They were very happy, and also I can see that their customer are also happy with using this solution. So that was a very good feedback we got. We met some of the cable operators here also.
Right.
They're willing to adopt to this new technology. Thanks.
Yesterday he met our operators also.
Yes.
So do you think it's going to work?
Definitely, sir. It is they're doing business with cable and even broadband also. Both it will work.
Great.
So we'll integrate, and we are there with NHD in organizing these LMOs.
Thank you. Thanks, Raghavendra. Thanks, Raghavendra. Much appreciated. Thank you. Good to have you as a partner on board. Super. So I'm now to look to launch. We look to launch our next hub across India. So if I can request the video for launching our hubs. Just to tell you, we are launching 40 next hubs today across India. 16 of those are in Andhra and Telangana. The rest are across India.
I request you to launch.
Sure. So I'd like
All India
to go and launch All India. So we've got, you'll see the markers across.
My name is Sanjay Das. I'm based out of Calcutta, and I handle the 13 states of Eastern region, being based out of this Calcutta office. I am very happy and equally proud to announce and to be associated with
Assam,
this brand new
Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh,
which we have
Ranchi, in West Bengal.
Next up is a fantastic and a brilliant concept for all the trade partners, where they just have to come and get connected to our brand new setup called Next Up, where we will be producing the signals for them, and all the cable operator and the last mile operators, they have to do is to get connected to our state-of-the-art signal. And the best part is that we will be handling the entire services from a very trained group of technical people that are working with us. And the finest thing is that it's a concept where Next Digital will be investing all its financial support towards the Next Hub, where the cable operator or the trade partner, the LMOs, none of them have to invest any money towards the signal. So I'm very happy that we have already been able to successfully launch the signal services from Next Hub in Ranchi. Agartala is also the one which is going to be activated very soon.
Yeah, I forgot
So
Agartala.
there are other few places across the region lined up. So it's very matter of big pride, and we would like to thank everybody and wish everybody the very all the best. Thank you.
मैं रांची शहर से राजेश चौबे हूं। मुझे NXT हब से जुड़कर बहुत खुशी हो रही है। NXT डिजिटल द्वारा लिया गया महान अभिनव। मैं NXT हब का सदस्य